What are you guys doing? Are you guys eating grass? Coco, what are you doing? What's out there? What do you hear? What? You mean to get the ball? In the house, there you go. Want a treat? The puppies want a treat? Okay. Stay while I do that. There you go. Hurry out of here. Good puppy. I'm having leftover tortilla soup for lunch. I did do a what's for dinner video on this. It's from the Magnolia table and it's super delicious, so I will link that down below. I'm gonna eat lunch and watch a little YouTube, I think, and then after lunch I think I'm gonna go make a tiered tray for the living room. So here is what is left of Lincoln's cake. I did a double layer Duncan Hines rainbow chip party cake and I used way too much frosting. It was super uneven. Lincoln really liked it, so that's really all that matters. Well, hi there, it's Brooke. It is currently 3:30 on Friday afternoon, and we've done some stuff today, and I'm going to put on a little makeup right now, just because I want to, even though it's 3:30 in the afternoon. I did some cleaning and stuff this morning, so I didn't shower till later, and I'm a napper, so, you know, sometimes I don't get ready till later in the day. I'm going to put some makeup on. I've already put on my moisturizer and some sunscreen. I'm going to put my headband in. So I'm going to do that. Got my little thing of brushes out here. We're going to do a super simple, super quick look. I have my Instant Age Rewind concealer. And I have just I think it's an e.l.f. brush, or sponge I mean. I like the Wet n Wild ones a little better. They have these on sale. I've been doing concealer first because I got this Laura Geller Fake Balance and Brighten color correcting foundation. It's a powder foundation. I got mine in light, and then I also picked up her little kabuki brush. I like to watch Allie Glines, and she picked up this, and I just thought it was super nice, and it's just quick, and it's super light on the skin, and it has pretty good coverage, and it does do a good job of balancing out all my like redness and things like that. And I like the baked formula. I use the baked powder blush from Milani. This is in the color Luminoso. It's an okay color. I have to find the right brush for it because every brush I use I'm not particularly fond of. And then when I use my sponge, it's really like clown cheek red, so I haven't found the brush I like the best yet, so I need to do that. The brush I've been using right now is just a brush from the Lip Bar, and it's like this. It's really wispy, and I think I just need a denser brush, which I use my denser brush for my bronzer that I wear sometimes, so I don't know. See, it just doesn't go on how I would like it. So if I take this and just do just a little bit, it goes on a little better. It still emphasizes the texture really bad on my face, but whatever. And then I usually just take my foundation brush and go over it a little bit. I am just going to do one swipe of this green called Star from the Butter London Natural Goddess. I got this from like an Ipsy bag or something I did. Not exactly the green I wanted. I have my Sky High Maybelline, and this one is just in their black. I really like this mascara. I like this, the really skinny wand. And then I have the Winky Lunk Unibrow. I got this from FabFitFun when I was still getting their boxes. And I am letting my eyebrows grow in so they're super like crazy and all splotchy. So I just try to do a little fill in, and then I usually get too heavy. I'm learning as I go on my eyebrows. From all the years of plucking and waxing I did, they're not growing in the night. I have my Thrive Cosmetic Brilliant Eye Brightener in Stella. And I'm just going to put some in the inner corner of the Scandinavia finishing spray. Another FabFitFun. I'm not a big fan of it. I got it in my mouth. I think my Milani Make It Last worked better. And then I just have the Anastasia Brow Gel, Clear Brow Gel. Another FabFitFun. I do really like this, and I think it's almost running low. Jelly on my brow. So I got some new Essence Shine 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 Wet Lip Gloss. This is the color Happiness in a Bottle. It's a little more frosty than I would like. And sometimes purples look funny on me, but it smells really good and feels really good. I'm going to grab this silvery color Le Artiste from my MAC palette to kind of smooth out the green. This is the MAC Art Library Nude model. I don't know if I've used this color before. That's makeup is all done. Now we go downstairs, I can do a quick outfit of the day for you and show you. Otherwise, let's go do a tier tray. I'm just in a tier tray mood, so let's go do it. I just have on my Aerie or American Eagle camouflage romper. I don't know if I did this in a try-on haul forever ago, but when it's kind of cool out and I just want to wear pants, so I haven't shaved my legs either, but it's still a little warm, so I'll throw this on. I have another romper too, tank top one, but I seem to grab this one more than the other one. I don't know if you can see my makeup any better. Did pretty good with my mascara and everything. So yeah, so just my little throw on outfit. So welcome to my decor closet. You guys don't get to see this mess very often, but I want my tray and I put that away to put out my Father's Day tray. So we're going to get that out, and then I'm going to grab my kind of summer spring tote here. So I'm down here in front of my closet with my tier tray that you can't see. Okay, I think we're set up. So I have some lemon stuff I can use. Here it is, all finished. Not my best work, but I like how it turned out. Just simple with a little bit of lemon, just like upstairs. Did do a pop of navy, and then now I have to pick up my mess. So I'm gonna do that and put away the Father's Day tray. Everything is all picked up, but I definitely have a pine cone problem. I have like a whole bag and then some, so I really need to find a space for those because, yeah. So I have a few things to pick up. We're gonna get the pups up and take them for a walk. But until then, I'm gonna put my few things away till Nick is done with work. So let's go get her done. Oh, I have this basket on the front door and I wanna keep that, but I want these maybe a little more vibrant. So I'm gonna switch them out for my tulips. So that is what I'm going to do next. So here's the before and here is the after. Are the puppies coming? Are we gonna go on a walk? No fingers. Okay, Daddy get the harnesses, Mama get some socks. You ready?
Yes.
Let's go.
All right, guys.
Come on, crazy animals. Let's walk nice. We need to switch sides, Nikki. Get away from my plant. Get away from my plant. Come on, Coco. Come on, walk nice, Rex. Walk nice the other day. No barking. Come on. Come on. For a walk, not a run. Mama doesn't run.
Yep. You looking for a book?
No, she's just running away. Come on, Coco. Come on, Rex.
Who's gonna poop? Get the poop prize. Who's going first?
This is what my husband wears on a walk. Eggs and bacon socks, Amazon Choice slides, Target shorts, and his Old Navy Christmas Chuck sweatshirt.
Got a winner.
And we got a pooper. Come on, out of the tree. Well, we're on our way to pick up Lincoln from our friends. I got the Poochies in here. Say hi, Poochies. Okay, for supper I'm having some of this Philadelphia dips, jalapeno and cheddar, and then I got my other half of watermelon cut up with my slick trick that I showed you where I just slice, and it comes out in these nice little cubes. That is just like a super trick. I did talk about it in a vlog forever ago, so I can link that too. And then I like to eat Fritos with my cream cheese dip, and then I just have a little egg salad with tomato on it, and then just some bread. So we're just eating simple, leftover-y kind of meal tonight. That's so happy. You're happy. You're happy for mama. No, here. Go get it. Good girl. Come over here with your flags. How flags? Oh, it's mine. This is yours. Get it. Oh, I can't get it. It's too far. Bring it closer. Good job. Bring it closer. Bring it closer. Oh, good job. Go get it. No, not Rex. Go get it. Oh. Coco, go get it. Go get it, Coco. Go get it, Coco. Get it. Get it. Well, everybody has been picked up and the boys are both at sleep. Still playing a little fetch and tug with the dogs. So I hope you enjoyed spending the day with me. Kind of see what I eat in a day. Just a lot of leftovers when I've been cooking a lot. That is about it. So hit that like button, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.